Namaste. Warm greetings from Sri Balaji Vidyapith, popularly referred to as SBV. I am delighted to meet you all once again through Channel 1. Staying true to the quote, music is the life itself. Today's topic is about one of the most fascinating topic in the field of complementary and alternative medicine, that is music therapy. Music as a form of therapy is often termed as music therapy or music medicine. Music therapy is a process in which the provider works in a therapeutic relationship with a client or patient to achieve non-musical goals, whereas music medicine can be provided by any healthcare professional with the musical preferences of the patients. Music therapy is defined as an interpersonal process in which the therapist uses music and all of its facets to help patients to improve, restore, or maintain health. This works on the broad dimensions of social, emotional, cognitive, or self-related functions, as well as arousal-related function in tandem with the concept of salutogenesis. Music gives us the space to comprehend our issues, motivate us, and to use it as a tool to cope with our stress, and further, it makes everything meaningful. Music therapy is rendered as passive music listening or active music making, such as improvisation, recreating musical experiences, and songwriting. Music therapy has been found effective during labor and pregnancy, to alleviate pain and stress in post-operative areas, and to reduce anxiety and fear in patients awaiting procedures at a hospital. Also, it improves gross and fine motor skills and improves communication and socialization issues. The music therapy helps further to improve coping ability in palliative patients and patients going through endoscopy and angioplasty procedures. It helps in effective neurological rehabilitation and has been even termed as neurologic music therapy. Music therapy is an evidence-based practice backed by literature in the form of research and documentation. Music therapy has been documented to stabilize physiological parameters such as heart rate, blood pressure, and hormonal levels. Music therapy has been found to modulate neurological functions evident in EEG readings and also in psychological domains of the recipients. Music evoked emotions can modulate activity in many areas of the brain which are responsible for regulating several vital bodily functions. It has been demonstrated that pleasant emotional responses to music are associated with changes in the blood flow to the brain regions thought to be involved in reward, motivations, emotions, and arousal. The COVID pandemic has made life quite uncertain and has caused a lot of fear and anxiety in people all over the world. It has been globally recognized how music and art can bring people together without actually being physically available. Music connects us in unfathomable ways and has been found to be one of the mechanisms to cope with the anxiety of the future to come. Recent surge in social media use has made it convenient to bring music to every individual and every home. Center for Music Therapy, Education and Research, that is CIMTER, is an innovative venture of SBV. Music therapy in SBV has taken on the role of bringing modern techniques of and incorporated Indian traditional healing systems such as Raga Chikitsa, chakra activation and chanting as part of music therapy treatment modalities. The center, functioning with salutogenic principles of health, has gone way to beyond thinking only in terms of disease or illness. This is in consonance with the directives of Government of India as per the National Health Policy 2002 to integrate complementary and alternative therapies into medical care, and the goal of our third National Health Policy 2017, which is to promote good health through preventive and holistic healthcare approaches. Now, I invite Mrs. Bhuvaneshwari, our faculty at CIMTER, to elaborate on activities related to music therapy at SBV.
I thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor and the Channel One team for providing me with this opportunity to elaborate on Center for Music Therapy, Education and Research and Music Therapy at this juncture. CEMTER started functioning as a department in the year 2010, and I feel extremely happy that we are going to complete one decade this December and will be starting on to the next decade coming January 2021. CEMTER has established an optimum healing environment in SBV and is committed to provide music therapy as a complementary health care with a salutogenic focus on the physical, mental, social and spiritual health. Music therapy services are integrated along with the mainstream medicine to promote healing and increase the resilience and sense of coherence to overcome disease, paving the foundation for better health in future. Music therapy services with a salutogenic focus are imparted by qualified music therapists to adult and pediatric inpatients and outpatients registered with the Department of Medicine, ICU, catheterization labs, relatives of patients in ICU, operation theatres and the labor rooms, to mention a few. The faculty of CEMTER work regularly all through the week from 9 to 4, offering OPD music therapy consultations and also bedside work. With music therapy, patients report reduction of anxiety and pain, stabilizing of physiological measures such as pulse and blood pressure, improving and regularization of breath, improvement in sleep disorders, regulations of emotions and reduction of depressive symptoms, enhancement of self-expression, improvement in communication and self-esteem, improvement in cognitive abilities. In the last decade, the number of patients who have been benefited by music therapy have gone above 17,000, and these are from the different clinical departments in SBV. CEMTER strives towards advancing the frontiers of medical science, of which the priority is integrative medicine, which is an interface between modern medicine and complementary alternative medicine, or CAM. SBV introduced music therapy into patient care in the year 2010 and simultaneously initiated relevant research and further introduced professional training in music therapy in the year 2014. The training programs from CEMTER are unique as it is offered by a health sciences university, which enables the students to hone their clinical skills and begin their practice to use music in therapy and as therapy in hospital settings. The programs that CEMTER offers are PG Diploma, Masters in Medical Music Therapy as well as a PhD program. The Center for Music Therapy is located on the first floor of I Block, MGMCRI campus of SBV, Pondicherry. It is equipped with a main hall called Sarang Deva Hall and a seminar hall named as Saptaswara Seminar Hall. The main hall is aesthetic, having the positive vibrations of the 7 swaras or the 7 notes of a raga, and they are set up as or depicted with a picture explaining what the 7 swaras are. And these slokas are tuned in different ragas and have been recorded. The students and faculty learn and recite these slokas at the beginning of every day to give them the positive vibrations of the 7 Swara Devatas as a blessings to take it forward and make music therapy more positive to the patients. The room also has a visual appeal of the details of the program of CEMTER, the standard operating protocol for clinical referrals, the conferences organized, and a brief history of CEMTER. The seminar hall is where the classes take place for the students of CEMTER. It is equipped with a library which includes reference books, thesis books and reflective reports submitted by the students of music therapy.
Such initiatives have been undertaken to build evidence and to create and support evidence-based data in music therapy in the Indian context. Such initiatives have resulted in several research publications in both national and international peer-reviewed journals. The primary areas of research of CEMTER include traditional music healing practices, collaborations and patient outcomes, community health and well-being, and mind-body medicine. The education and professional training of CEMTER encourages all the faculties and students of SBV to work collaboratively and engage in high-quality music therapy research. I am happy to share that CEMTER has produced around 35 research publications, 3 book chapters, and 8 copyrights in its short span of institution. There are 2 ongoing PhD research and 4 completed studies that are in the process of getting published. The future directions of music therapy in India depends on building a strong evidence base for its therapeutic potential. On interdisciplinary collaborative research, it also depends on as a resource for training and education in India, and gives more emphasis the role of music therapy as a salutogenic model. SBV has signed Memorandum of Understandings with two international universities, IMC University of Applied Sciences, Krems, Austria, and Anglia Ruskin University, Cambridge, UK. The major focus of these two MOUs are exchange of students, PhD, and collaborative research activities. The program at SBV CIMTER are recognized as valuable music therapy programs in the global fraternity. And I like to share that the center has international students who get trained on utility of music therapy in a clinical setting, integrating Indian traditional systems into practice. I am happy to share that SBV has conducted the first National Conference of the Health and Intellectual Property Right Academy, HIPRACON. The conference was themed New Horizons in Healthcare Intellectual Property Right. Health and Intellectual Property Rights Academy, the academy which organized the HIPRACON, is composed of academicians, researchers, and entrepreneurs drawn from various fields of healthcare. The academy strives to contribute to newer knowledge in intellectual property rights with reference to copyrights, patents, technology transfer, etc. among health sciences institutions and healthcare providers. In this background, HIPRACON provided really a valuable and comprehensive platform for innovators across India to present their inventions, innovations to various stakeholders, but with the sole aim serving the underserved and economically deprived through inventions and novel technologies. I am delighted to share that HIPRACON had housed around 260 innovators, inventors, faculties, and students from various healthcare sectors throughout India and abroad. 20 inventors presented their prototypes under the competition category. I wish you the best of health. Do remember to continue practicing physical distancing, wearing masks, and personal hygiene. Wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year 2021. Stay safe. God bless you. Jai Hind.